Well, welcome to DIY RVing Home, Camper's Life. My name's Greg. Today, got the trailer hooked up. We're going to head on over. We're actually going to reshoe the trailer and the truck. So we're going to get 5 new tires for the trailer, brand new spare. Even though it is brand new, it is one of those OE ones, and we want a little bit better quality when we hit the road. And the truck, they're getting down there. Oop. They're getting close. I'd say I've probably gotten another 10,000 miles on it, but we're going to be starting off, and at least the first itinerary, sort of, whatever it is you want to call it, is close to 4,000, 5,000 miles. So might as well do it now. I'm going to be going over to a shop that I used to work for and get them on there. It is a local shop, but you know, the quality of the tire, I trust, is excellent. I would not expect him to put anything on my truck that he wouldn't put on himself, and we also talked about that already. So we're going to be getting some actual hand hooks for the truck, and I can't remember what brand we're getting for the trailer. Unfortunately, he can't get the Goodyear Endurances at his shop, but you know, we're still going to get a good tire on there. I'll feel confident about hitting the road that way. I'm going to swing you around and show you kind of what the aftermath of our first garage sale looks like here. And as you can see, quite a bit of stuff is gone. It's amazing how much you pay for it and how much you get rid of it for, but you know, can't take it with us. One thing we can take with us, though, and we are going to be taking with us, is this Generac GP 3300i. Now, this is a 3300 watts surge with a 2500 run. And tried it out last night on the trailer. And of course, we got that soft starter on the trailer. And we went ahead and ran the air conditioner, the refrigerator, and also we had the power converter on also. So basically the 3 large drawing items, or could be, were being run by that. So I think this was a very good purchase. Later on today, I'm going to go ahead and set it up and do a run with you guys and show you and talk to you a little bit more about it. But I just thought I'd pop in and say hi, tell you what was going on, say, yeah, no, I'm not MIA. I am busy trying to get stuff going. Today is my day. I'm hoping to work on the trailer. I've got multiple projects to do that I want to get done. And then I need to concentrate back on getting stuff cleaned up and getting prepped for our second garage sale, which is in 2 weeks. Actually, week and a half now. So today will be that, tomorrow we'll be back on that, and then I work all weekend. Then next week I'll be setting up for the garage sale again. So plus a couple other things going on. Anyways, I'm not MIA, I'm still here. So please hang on there, keep an eye on our channel, because we'll be back. Until then, happy camping.